An issue involving a knee surgery. It is the law and you here on Eyewitness News. Joining us once again, attorneys Molly Clark, who's here for Greg, and Ed Ciarimboli. Welcome tonight.
Molly told me that she's completely done Christmas shopping already.
Already?
Can you believe that?
Well ahead of the curve, Molly. That's impressive.
I'm a good shopper.
She's done.
Smart
already.
shopper and a quick one apparently
Done.
as well.
Finished. It's
All right,
amazing.
before you head out maybe shopping tonight, let's get to our question tonight from Mike in Jessup. Mike says, I'm going for surgery on my knee. Can I ask the doctor how many of these procedures he has done? And does he have to tell me? So that's a good question.
Yeah.
Does a doctor have to disclose the experience?
Yeah, so a number of years ago, believe it or not, the law in Pennsylvania was that a doctor, if they chose not to disclose this information, they didn't really have to. Now they do. If you ask your doctor a pointed question about their experience must be taken, you can take their experience into consideration when you're making a decision about whether or not to have this surgery and whether or not this particular doctor is the most qualified and the best one to do it for you. So you absolutely can ask that question, and the doctor absolutely has to disclose that information to you. Now, if the doctor doesn't, or the doctor is not forthcoming, then you have what's called an informed consent case. And I'll let Molly, can you tell them what that means, what they'll have to do in order to pursue an informed consent case?
Yes, I would start off by saying if the doctor doesn't want to tell you that, I think you should go seek a second opinion. That's something I would definitely want to know, and if he's not telling you, it's probably a problem. But if you wanted to, Eddie wanted me to talk about the informed consent portion of it. And basically, you have the right to know the risks of the procedure, what the side effects could be. You have the right to be fully informed before you make a decision to go ahead and proceed with any type of surgery. So you should ask those questions. You should get that information ahead of time. If you don't get that information and something happens, you would be able to pursue a claim for lack of informed consent.
All right, good advice. And our viewers that want to talk to you with a legal question, how can they do that?
Yeah, that was a great question today. Who sent it in?
That was from Mike in Jessup.
Mike, great question. If anybody else has a medical malpractice question or informed consent question as it relates to a medical procedure, put it on our Facebook page, or tweet it to us, or Instagram it to us, or Snapchat, or any of the above, and we'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment. Or you could call us 570-714-HURT, or you could see us on the web, 714hurt.com. And Greg is back tomorrow, and we'll be manning the hotline.
That's amazing.
Done.
That's amazing.
Done.
Well, we want to thank attorney Molly Clark for being here the past couple of days.
Yeah.
Attorney Ed Ciarimboli, Results Matter. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.
You got it.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You Hotline are there for you.